Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariel. I create beauty videos, a little bit of fashion, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. So today's gonna be my favorite video of the month, which is my favorite. So this is gonna be May's favorites, not just beauty, but just some items that I've been loving in the month of May. Comment down below and let me know what are those items that you've been obsessed with this month. So we're gonna start off with makeup. The first item is going to be something that I'm wearing right now, which is the Haus Labs lip crayon. You guys, this one's in the color Mahogany Matte, and this was something new that I was introduced to. Now these have been out for a while, but I checked it out because I'm always stalking Sephora. I click on the new tab of what new comes out daily, and I noticed that this was on here, and I was thinking it was a new product. But you guys, this is a product that's been around for a while, but they expanded the shade range and added about 4 new shades, and this was one of the new shades. So this is what Mahogany Matte looks like. So it's almost like a reddish brown shade that I'm wearing now. I've been wearing it as a lip liner, but you can definitely fill in your whole lip and wear it as a complete lipstick. It does have like a soft matte feel to it. I thought that since it's like a thicker, you see how thick that is? I figured because it was so thick you wouldn't be able to get a precise line, you guys, but it's so creamy and smooth and you just get perfect precision. For some reason it just works. I love how it glides on the lip, it stays in place, and it feels super comfortable, and I actually really love the shade as well. So I plan on trying out or picking out another color. Another makeup product that I'm wearing now, which is my winged liner. You guys, this is the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes liner. Now this is one of those felt tip liners. I've tried several of these type of liners over the years and never used one quite like this. Usually when I use one of those felt tip liners, it either skips, or when I have on shadow, maybe like a white shadow, I notice that it's not as opaque over the shadow. It kind of turns grayish, or it's always some sort of issue to where I'm not in love with it. You guys, this gives me the perfect pitch black, but at the same time, not only is it super black, you get great precision, it doesn't skip, and it really stays. This is a really good formula, and I love the packaging. I feel like this sort of cream colored packaging is just so modern and chic. I like how it has that slant at the tip with the gold tip on there and the pointy bottom. I just think the packaging is just really cute. It's really nice, it's really cute, it's just giving modern, and I've really been enjoying this in the month of May. Another product that sort of surprised me, this one took me by surprise when I tried it out. If you watch my channel often, I pretty much try new products. That's what I do, is try new beauty makeup products, and Makeup Forever has just launched a new powder. This is the HD Skin Twist and Light powder. Now I got the color 3.0 tan, and it's one of those powders similar to the Givenchy powder, where when you open it up it has 3 different shades, except the Givenchy has 4 different shades. So it has like a light flesh tone, a medium type flesh tone, and an orange shade. So it's supposed to color correct at the same time. But you guys, what you do is you twist it, and then the product settles in here. You can pour it out into the top and use it, and it gives you the most beautiful, gorgeous blurred finish to the skin. I thought that it would either, I don't know what I thought. I didn't think it was going to do this. The fact that it looks shimmery inside of here, when you're looking at the powders, it's almost glittery to the naked eye, but on your skin it just looks blurred and completely flawless. I highly recommend that you guys try this one out. Moving on to foundation, the Lancome Tinted Ultra Wear Care and Glow foundation. So I tried this out this month and I have literally been obsessed. I wear the color, I wear the color 450W, and I find that it's a really great shade. I'm thinking about shading down to just maybe one shade darker because I tend to like my foundations a little deeper and more bronzy, but this shade still does match me really great. But the thing that really caught me about this foundation is it gives the skin such a creamy, supple look. It has skincare ingredients in it that plumps the skin, and not only does it plump the skin while you're wearing it, you'll notice when you remove your makeup, your skin stays plump the rest of the night, and even the next day your skin is still soft, supple, and plump. I've never tried a foundation quite like this. The socialites have been raving about it as well, and they seem to love the plumping aspect of it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful formula. This is something that I would highly recommend for my ladies over 40. I'll link the full review to this foundation right there, so you can click on that link if you want to see the full review and wear test of this product. Next up is the Juvia's Place The Coffee Shop palette. So this was in one of my hauls maybe about 3 to 4 weeks ago. This was a product that I was just walking through Ulta and I saw it on a shelf, like the palette was open, walked by it. I had never tried Juvia's Place eyeshadows before. It literally caught my eye to where I had to walk back over there and swatch it, and it went on so buttery, smooth, and creamy. I had to take this home. It has some beautiful neutral tones in here. It has about half of the shades are matte, the other half are these beautiful shimmers that I find is best to apply with your finger. It's just super pigmented, completely effortless, and the price point is great as well. This is a super top tier quality, and I've been wearing this palette pretty much every time I do an eyeshadow look this month. Moving on to skincare, I've been trying a new brand of skincare, you guys. I received some PR earlier this month, maybe like a couple weeks ago, and the brand sent me several products from their line. This brand is called Exuviance Advanced Series. I did enjoy some of the products from the PR box that they sent over to me, but this one was a standout. There's a couple products that will stand out to me that we'll talk about in an upcoming video, but this one I could not leave off this video because when I tried it, you guys know, or if you don't know, the way I pick skincare is the first time that I use the skincare, I see an immediate difference. That's how I know that I'm going to stick with that product. And this was it for me. It's the triple microdermabrasion face polish. So it's one of those creams that has like the little beads in it, but it's not like the finely soft. I mean, this one is a little bit more on the abrasive side. So if you have sensitive skin, you may want to steer away from this, or if you have sensitive skin, you may want to only use a little bit in a light hand when you're using it until you can build up sort of that tolerance for it. But this gave me the most beautiful, brightening, clear effect to my skin the first time I used it, and the next day the way my skin looks so radiant and smooth. I really loved it. I had been having issues with dark marks on this side of my face where I had a breakout a couple weeks ago, and it's been sort of tough for me to sort of get it to the complete smooth texture so that I could really concentrate more on the brightening. But this right here, it just really smoothed it out, and so now I can really concentrate a lot more on the brightening. This right here is everything. They say you can use it like 2 or 3 times a week, but like I said, it's sort of abrasive, so I'm just going to use it about once a week until I sort of get used to it, and then I'll probably move on to twice a week. But this is really good if you want sort of an exfoliator that's just really gets in there. Try this one. Next up is lashes, you guys. This is Socialite Mink Lash in the style Nightlife. Now this is my brand of eyelashes. For those who don't know, I do have a brand of luxury mink eyelashes that I started in about 2017, into 2017 to 2018. Sort of slowed down with the pandemic, but I'm starting to ramp it back up, you guys, because we're going to be doing a relaunch towards the end of the year. But lately, like the past 6 months or so on my videos, I always wear 9 to 5, just the more lightweight, more natural, everyday, soft looking lash. And like I said, we're preparing for the relaunch, and those are the ones that I needed to tweak, so I've been wearing those for months. But you guys, I've revisited Nightlife. Now this used to be my favorite pair for years. Nightlife is my medium length full fluffy pair. This is the most popular pair for the socialites that wear socialite mink lash. I'll try to get a close-up for you guys, but if you wear glasses, it's good for that. If you wear lash extensions and you like your lash extensions to be full but not too long, and you like them to be really fluffy, this is it, you guys. I've been obsessed with these this month, which sort of took me by surprise, because like I said, I've been going for the more natural route. Even though you can get a natural feel from this, it's more dramatic than 9 to 5, the pair that you guys always see me wear. So socialite mink lash in the style Nightlife. And last on my list, you guys, this is a short one this month. Last is a candle. This is the Bath & Body Works candle in Sea Salt and Nairobi. Now in a couple other Bath & Body Works videos, I talked about this one, but I've been burning this like crazy. The fragrance notes of this candle is salted neroli blossoms, watery eucalyptus, and fresh lemon zest. You guys, if you want a fresh, elevated, almost like a luxury apartment smell, like when you go into the model, what do you call it, the apartment clubhouse, where it just smells so modern and just elevated. This is that smell. It's very fresh, it's bright, it's a little sweet, it's a little floral, but not super florally. It's just a great balance, and I've been burning these like crazy this month. I love it. Keep in mind, Bath & Body Works sale, their semi-annual sale will start on June the 3rd. Early access with the app is going to be on June the 2nd, so make sure you get the app so you can get like additional either notifications about early access or either additional discounts. When you have the app, you get like 20% off sent to your email, 25% off every now and again. And so yeah, the deals on the semi-annual sale are crazy. So oftentimes you can get the candles for like half off. Sometimes you get even more than half off. So yeah, this is one that I highly recommend. Hopefully it'll be on sale, because I know it varies the items that's going to be on sale. Also, I do have a couple of other videos up where I talk about like my favorite candles, or just go over candles in general, or just some of my favorite products. So I'll link them in the description box if you guys plan on shopping the sale. So that's it for May's favorites. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video this month. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Every single thing that I used today will be linked down below in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers,